January 2009, Core 3, question 4 is our trig question. We're asked to find out sec x equals 3 over 2. We remember that sec is 1 over cos. So we'll write cos, and we'll switch that upside down. Cos x is 2/3. On your calculator, inverse cos of 2/3 gives you 48 degrees. We remember from Core 2 that there's always two answers here, and the second answer for cos is 360, take away this, which is 312. If you're worried about remembering the formula, just sketch yourself a quick cos graph and you can spot what the other answer is going to be. Part B is using your identity. We've got a tan squared here, which again we must remember it's the same as sec squared x take away 1. I think you can spot here that there's going to be a quadratic coming. Let's stick everything over on the left hand side. We get 2 sec squared x. We'll add those 5 sec x's over here. And the numbers, we've got minus 12 in total. That's minus 2 here, take away the 10. As expected, here's the quadratic. Factorising it, it's got to be 2 sec x, it's got to be sec x. We've got to think of the numbers the times together give 12. It's got to be minus 3 and plus 4. It might take a few guesses to get that, but this way I get the 8, take away 3, which gives the 5 here. Simple quadratic, either this bit here has got to equal 0, which gives us sec x equals 3 over 2, which we saw earlier in the question. Cos x equals 2/3, x is 48, or 312 degrees, just like earlier. Alternative is this part is equal to 0, sec x plus 4 is equal to 0, sec x equals minus 4, so cos x is minus 1/4. On the calculator, inverse cos of 1/4 minus 1/4 gives 104 degrees. And just like earlier, there's one more answer, 360, take away this, 256 degrees. I've rounded each of these to the nearest degree, as it says in the question.